Okay, we're looking at the back of the typewriter now, and I'm going to operate the carriage release. When I do that, you should see the toothed part, we'll call it the rack, going up and down. You'll also see a spring, and the spring is what's supposed to pull the carriage release back up, so that should all be moving freely. So, moving it over, now it's engaged. If you hear that clicking sound, it should make a different sound. That's moving with the carriage release held, and now that snaps into place. Now it's free, and when it comes down into position, it catches on the teeth. There should be a spring like this one right here. That's the spring on both ends of the rack.